Dear students, today I am going to do one theorem of class 10 CBSE. Root 5 is irrational number. So first, root 5 is irrational number in sense. First, by contradiction, let us assume root 5 is rational number. Root 5 is rational number. So whatever I am proving it, if it is wrong, right, then I can tell that root 5 is irrational number. So that is our motto now. So now I have taken root 5 is rational number. So what is rational number? Rational number already you know what is in sense P by Q. It is in the form of that, right? And P and Q are co-prime. And one more condition, Q is not equal to 0. This is the rational number condition, P by Q. Rational number will be always in the form of P by Q. That P by Q are always in the co-prime form and Q is not equal to 0. Alright, now next, square on both the sides. Square on both the sides this equation, root 5 is equal to P by Q, right? So root 5 the whole square, then P by Q the whole square. Now root 5 into root 5 is what? Root 5 into root 5 will be root 25, which is 5. Okay, so then 5 is equal to P square by Q square. So now Q square is equal to what then? Q square is equal to P square by 5. So keep this equation as the first. So from this equation I am concluding it, P square is divisible by 5. So P square will be divisible by 5. Yes, from this equation I am getting it. And even P is also divisible by 5. P is also divisible by 5. How? Let me tell you. So P square is 625. 625 by 5 is how much? 1 5 is by again 1. It will be like 2 5s are 10. 125. Okay, this is P square. P is what? The square root of 625 is 25. So 625 by 5 again it will be 5. So P square will be divisible by 5 in sense P is also divisible by 5. This statement I can keep it as 2. Alright. From this statement again I can write P is equal to 5. Some constant C I can take it. P is equal to 5C because P is divisible by 5, right? So P is equal to 5 into something else. C is some constant. Okay. Next. Substitute. This P is equal to 5Z. You can substitute in the first equation. Substitute in first equation. Alright. So P is equal to 5Z. I am applying in this equation. So what is the equation here? Q square equal to actually P square is here. So 5C the whole square by 5. Okay. So 5C the whole square will be 25C square by 5, which is 5C square. Which is 5C square. Okay. Then next. So from this equation what I am telling, Q square by 5 equal to C square. Okay. 5C square is equal to Q square. In sense this 5 will come down. Q square by 5 is equal to C square. Now see this equation here. See this equation. P square by 5 and Q square by 5. Okay. I can write it here. Q square is divisible by 5. Yes, Q square is divisible by 5, right? Therefore, Q is also divisible by 5. also divisible by 5. Alright. So before only I told you root 5 is equal to P by Q. P and Q are co-prime. What is co-prime? There is no common factor other than 1. So P and Q will be having, there is only 1 should be the common factor. They should not be having other number be a common. But here in sense what happened, Q is divisible by 5 and P is divisible by 5. Right? This assumption, it is contradictory, it is coming here. What actually we have taken is root 5 is a rational number. But here what we got here 5 is a number which is a common factor. So now according to this, this one I can take it as 3. Alright. 2 equation 2 and 3, comparing the two equation, P and Q are not coprime. It must be a coprime, but what we got it is not a coprime then. So it contradicts our assumption. It contradicts our assumption. Therefore, root 5 is irrational number. That's all, guys. Thank you.